Good day everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers and those that have been following me up to this video. I'm also saying thank you to the new subscribers I'm getting today. Thanks for your support and we are really here for you. So in today's edition, I'll be showing you guys how I was able to edit this PSD text effect from this to this using just my smartphone. No PC, no problem. So without wasting our time, let's dive in. To open our Google Chrome and we're going to search for freepik.com. This is where we'll be downloading our PSD text effect. So I'll click on the search engine and I will search for PSD text. Okay, PSD text effect. And these are PSD text effects we can edit. They are editable. So we're just going to pick any one of our choice and edit them. So I'm going to go ahead to pick okay, let me pick this one. Yeah, then I'm going to click on download at the top over here. Let's do that real quick. Download. Wait for it to download. It's downloading, done. Our file is downloaded. So where we'll be editing it, we're going to go into another software. We're going to write photo P. Photo search. Yes, then this is it over here. This first one. Photo P. It will bring us onto this interface. Then we'll click on file over here and we'll click on open. It will bring you back to your gallery, so you can just select the file you want to edit. This is over here, the one with Jumbo 3D. As you can see, it is zipped. So this will just click on it and allow it to load. It usually takes just few time depending on how fast your phone CPU can run. So we're just going to give it time. It's loading, and done. It's open. Then we're going to go ahead to click on this 3 icon here. This 3 icon. So we're going to click on it. Then we're going to double tap where they wrote place your design here. I'm going to double tap it. Yes. Then we'll click on that same icon to go back. So now we can edit the text. Let's tap on it. Then we'll cancel this one and write what we want to write. Let's say I want to edit it to Mickey. M-I-K-K-Y. Okay, Mickey. This is what we have here. Then I'm just going to go ahead to this file at the top. Then I'll click on save smart object. Because it we have new, open and place, open and more, share, and save smart object. I'm going to click on save smart object. We'll give it time. Even if you click it, yeah, smart object updated. Then I'm going to go ahead to click on this Jumbo over here. This Jumbo, the one with star, or is it asterisk, or whatever you guys are calling it. Click on it and wait for it to do the magic. Even if you click on it, it will seem like nothing is working, but the CPU is processing. I'm just going to give it few time and done. So guys, can you see we have successfully edited it from Jumbo to Mickey. and we can use it for our design. So if you have watched up to this moment, to say thank you, and please do well to subscribe and turn on notification and give this video a thumbs up. So I'll go ahead to save it. To save this now, we'll click on File, then we'll click on Export As, click on PNG. Then we'll click on Save over here at the bottom. Then we'll click on Download, and our PSD text effect is saved. Look at it, guys. This is it. You can go ahead to remove the background and use it for your design. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.